In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pinterest for print on demand, fast and easy. Let's dive into the exciting world of Pinterest, a platform that not only inspires creativity, but also acts as a powerful tool to drive sales in the print on demand market. If you're eager to boost your business's digital presence, then you're in the right place. To begin, we'll start by navigating to the Pinterest website. If you're not already familiar, simply open your browser and type in Pinterest on the search engine. You want to click on the first link you see, and there you have it. You've just arrived on Pinterest. Once you're here, the next step is setting up your Pinterest for business. It's crucial to switch to a business account because it provides you with additional analytics tools and features that a personal account doesn't offer. Don't worry, this is free to do. As you transition to this account, make sure to include your shop link. Whether you're using Etsy, Shopify, Redbubble, or another platform, this is where you'll direct potential customers to browse and purchase your products. Remember to craft a keyword-rich bio. Adding relevant keywords will help make your profile easily searchable, which is a key step in drawing traffic. Now, let's create niche boards. These boards should revolve around specific themes or products, like funny cat mugs, motivational wall art, or holiday gift t-shirts. Each board should have a specific target audience in mind. As you create these boards, write SEO-friendly descriptions peppered with keywords. This strategy positions your boards prominently in search results, making them more likely to be discovered by users interested in your offerings. Once your boards are set up, it's time to design clickable pins. The goal here is to make your content as eye-catching and engaging as possible. Consider using mockups for products such as t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, and posters. When designing your pins, remember the optimal size is 1,000 x 1,500 pixels. You can use tools like Canva or Placeit to create these visuals. To add value, include text overlays that describe the product, like perfect gift for dog moms or cozy fall hoodie. Consistency in your branding elements, such as colors, fonts, and logos, will reinforce brand recognition. Don't forget to optimize for Pinterest SEO. In pin titles, descriptions, and alt text, use relevant keywords to improve the chances of your pins appearing in user searches. For example, replace generic terms like mug with funny coffee mug for teachers, gift idea. Additionally, include 2 to 5 relevant hashtags to further categorize your pins. Finally, it's important to test and scale your efforts. Use Pinterest Analytics to track how users interact with your pins through clicks and saves. Make adjustments based on these insights and focus on designs that perform well. If you find a winning formula, consider investing in Pinterest ads to reach a larger audience. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully using Pinterest as a powerful marketing tool in your print-on-demand journey. Happy pinning, and may your business flourish.